and today I'll be showing you how to assemble a Quick-Loop Mop. This is the Quick-Loop Mop head. As you can see, the iconic green coil, and I have a handle. So what you're going to do is take the handle, put it in the opening, and you're going to move the handle clockwise. Start to slow down and then eventually stop. That means that the mop is in a secure place. All right, now the beauty of this mop is you can take any cloth you'd like. Today I have an old handkerchief I'll be using. You can use a terry, microfiber cloth, old t-shirt, rag. Drape it over the oak wood part, the mop. After you've draped it over, like so, you're going to take the end farthest from you, bring it in, and loop it at the top, like so. This is the way I personally like to use it. There's many different ways to put on the mop, but I hope you found that really helpful. I love this mop for cleaning, of course, but I also use it for dancing as well, which if you subscribe to my channel, you can check that out. It's Strictly Tango. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you soon.